I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Blink camera out of event response. This means stopping it from automatically recording clips when motion is detected. We'll go through the simple steps to adjust these settings directly within your Blink Home Monitor app. It's a straightforward process that gives you full control over your camera's recording behavior, ensuring it only captures what you want, when you want it. First, open the Blink Home Monitor app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, you'll see a list of your connected Blink cameras. Locate the specific camera you want to modify and tap the small gear icon, which represents settings, next to its name. This will take you directly into that camera's individual settings menu, where all the customization options reside. Within the camera settings menu, scroll down until you find the motion detection option. This is the primary control for event response. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. A gray switch usually indicates it's disabled. Remember to save any changes you make, often by tapping a Save or Done button, to ensure your camera stops recording motion events. If you don't want to fully disable motion detection, you can fine-tune it. Consider adjusting the motion sensitivity to a lower level, or increasing the retrigger time, which is the delay before the camera can record another clip. You can also set up activity zones to ignore specific areas in the camera's view, preventing recordings from common triggers like passing cars or swaying trees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.